If you're thinking of starting a career in AI, there is no better time than today. The jobs in AI are going to double in the next 2 years, and salaries offered even at the entry level is 50% higher than any other software development role. But with great demand and salaries comes the supply of people with skills in AI. So if you want to stand out, exactly what tools and technologies you should know. Hi folks, this is Rawlani. I have experience of 5 years in the field of AI, and today we'll be discussing on what tools and technologies you should know as an AI scientist. First is programming language Python. Python is bread and butter of AI scientist. MLDL libraries like NLTK, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas and many more have extensive community support in Python. And as an AI scientist, you would be using this library every day in your projects. So knowing Python is must. But how much you should study Python? You should know how to build a microservice. You should know how to store and retrieve data from databases like MongoDB and Postgres. How to create fast APIs for each of your microservice. To learn this, I would recommend you to follow YouTube channels like Code with Harry. Second skill is ML and DL. You should know machine learning and deep learning libraries. You should be able to build, train and fine-tune models like linear regression, log regression, naive Bayes, object detection models like YOLO, SSD, faster RCNN, and even open source LLMs using PEFT and LoRa, and build RAG pipelines. To learn this, I would recommend you to follow Krish Naik and Code Basics YouTube channel and participate in competitions from Kaggle. Third thing you should know is databases. That is MongoDB, MySQL, PostgreSDB. You would be working with these databases every day, either to store your output or fetch the input from other microservices or to change the configurations as well. So there is no getting around without writing a SQL queries. You should know how to interact with databases using Python. I would suggest you to follow Alex the Analyst for learning more about SQL. Next item is cloud infrastructure. Whether it is bug fixing, adding features, creating microservice from scratch, which you'll be working on almost every day, you would be deploying this on cloud platforms like GCP, AWS and Azure. To do this, you should know how to create Docker files, work with Kubernetes, create YAML files, create shell scripts to work with CI/CD pipelines, either using Jenkins or GitHub Actions. So just to recap, this is what you should know. You should know Python language to create microservice, work with fast APIs. You should know databases like MongoDB, Postgres. You should know cloud infrastructure like AWS, GCP, Azure, and you should know ML and DL libraries. If you want to know how these tools come together to build a real-world AI project, then do check out this video. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.